Hey friends, today we'll learn to improve listening skills. Practice every day. Create the habit of listening to English for at least 15 minutes daily. If you are busy and you don't have much time, listen while driving to work, school, taking public transportation, exercising, or doing housework. What should you listen to? There are three sites available with good content. First one is VOA Special English for American English, BBC 6 Minute English for British, and Elo.org is for dialogues and texts, audio. There is a right way and a wrong way to practice English listening. Wrong way. Try to listen once. You don't understand every word and you get frustrated. You give up and stop. Right way. Relax and know that it's completely normal to have limited understanding the first time you listen. Listen the first time for the general topics. Don't try to understand every word, just try to understand the main ideas. Listen again, try to understand some more specific details. Listen the third time while reading the transcript. Now you can pay attention to the individual words. Practice the right way. This type of listening, from more general to more specific, is the most effective way to practice and improve your English listening ability. Try it. Go to one of the websites and listen to one program 3 times daily, at least for 15 minutes. Practice listening every day for 15 minutes plus practice effectively equals to improve fast. Thank you for being here.